And for our next example, x plus 6 squared. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, kapag nakakita tayo ng mga squared, is to double them. So, we have x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 6. Okay? So, nested muna tayo. Para makita natin dito. Okay? So, I intend to add the sign para hindi tayo malito. Okay? So, let's answer this one. We have x squared. We have 6x. We have x times 6 is equal to 6x then. And they are both positive. And then, 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Okay? So, let's list down all the final answer. Lahat ng mga nasa inside box. So, we have x squared plus, since lahat naman yan ay mga positive, no need to add some parentheses for this one. So, pwede natin itong i-diretso. And then plus 36. So, we have x squared plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 12x. And then, plus 36. Okay? So, also, we have the faster method for this one. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to check yung mga ends muna natin. So, ito muna yung solve natin. So, we have x squared and plus 36. 6 times 6. And then, syempre, i-check natin ano ba yung magiging middle term natin for this one. Okay? Kapag nakita natin na parehas yung dalawang binomial natin in terms of variables and powers, and then we have the second, yung second term ng binomial, parehas din positive. So, ang gagawin lang natin is to copy kung ano yung sign neto. If that's a positive, then positive or plus. If that's a minus, then minus tayo. Okay? So, we have plus in this one. And then, add lang natin tong dalawang to. So, we have 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And then, lagyan lang natin ng x. So, that's the faster method.